Guys, in almost all of my wash days, I incorporate the use of rice water and I've been seeing some great results. So in today's video, I wanted to show you how I make my rice water. To start, you will just need some sort of a jar with a lid, white rice, and a bowl. I add some of the white rice to my bowl and I begin my process by cleaning the rice a few times. Honestly, this step can be skipped if you feel comfortable, but I wanted to show it in the video as an option if you'd like. After cleaning the rice, I scoop it into my jar and I fill the jar with water. I have no exact science for this, but I typically like to fill the jar about 1/3 of the way with rice and then use the remaining space to fill with water. After that, I just let the rice sit in a dark room temperature environment for at least 24 to 48 hours. But in the case of this example, I actually let this rice sit for about 6 days. A bit excessive, but I found no negative effects with letting it sit. After the rice has had time to ferment, I remove it from the cabinet and will momentarily transfer it to my spray bottle. But before that, I like to observe the water, and you can see the nutrients from the rice have fermented the water as evidenced by all the bubbles. One feedback I get often about the incorporation of rice water is the smell. To combat that, you can add a few drops of an essential oil like lavender or tea tree oil and/or add an orange peel. Now, to put this in my spray bottle, I have found the easiest way to do this is to put a funnel atop my spray bottle and then use a strainer to catch any rice that tries to spill out. After that, I just attach the top of my spray bottle and use the spray as normal. To see how I use my rice water in my weekly hair routines, please check out my wash and go tutorial video. You can find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.